Hey guys, Kathy Dryden. You're kicking back in my kitchen. Today is tool time. So I'm going to share with you one of my favorite go-to tools. It actually took me a while to get excited about because I didn't understand all the things you could do. This is our kitchen spritzer. The fun thing with this is you are using pressure, not chemicals, to create an oil spray to spray on your vegetables that are roasting, your meats, different things that you want to season. So it's really, really nice too because it takes back the oil amount quite a bit, and it all does it with pressure. So this is how it works. This has just traditional olive oil. You can add all kinds of flavors in here. I just have traditional, and you fill it up to the line. I might be a little over line. And what you do is you pump it, and then when you are ready to spray, you spray it over your sheet pan of veggies, your chicken breast that you want to put seasoning on, anything that you want to get a nice good oil on, but not use a ton or a glob. After you're done though, you always want to burp it. Okay, that takes the pressure off and then it's ready to go for your next use. Now, couple tips. You can do herbed oils. You can do like an avocado oil, coconut oil, but if you just do a traditional cooking oil, you could throw some garlic cloves in here. You could do rosemary sprigs or basil sprigs, all kinds of options. You could probably go to Pinterest and do a search on flavored oils and you'll figure out what you could use this for. So I love this. I actually have several of them. One with olive oil, one with like avocado, a little bit higher heat factor, and I use them for my air fryer, for things I'm roasting or oven baking, and even right now I'm using it for something in my microwave. All right, kitchen spritzer, you need at least 2 of them.